Okay. Today is May 20th, and well, another day. We need to do a new uh LeetCode daily challenge. And today, because every day before the stream, I want to update my title. And actually today I forgot. I just update my title, my stream title. And then so I need to check what problem it is for today, right? So after I check, I think today is supposed to be a really short stream. So anyway, let's see. Oh, if today's string end up pretty long and I cannot solve this problem, then I have problem. So yeah, so let's take a look at what is today's legal problem. So today's problem is 102 binary tree level order traversal. So I think for a number like 100 something, a million question, this is of course a classic question, but it looks like it's just a basic practice for us to do a BFS, right? So yeah, I think if everything goes well, we should be able to do this pretty quick. If it's just a regular binary tree like BFS, then yep, we should be able to do this within 10 minutes. I hope. Okay, so then, yeah, let's read the question together. Okay, so binary tree level order traversal. So given the root of binary tree, return the level order traversal of its node values from left to right, level by level. So yeah, okay, so it's a BFS. So without looking at the sample result, we should know it's 3, 9, 20, 57, right? 3, 9, 20, 57. And the output, you should put each level as a list or array, as a list. Okay, so yeah, so the level order traversal should be just a normal tree traversal. So let's start typing and see how fast we can finish type this. Okay, so yeah, to do a BFS, we need to have a queue, right? Queue, um, integer, not integer, like tree node, tree node, like QUE equals to link list, and we put, for this we first offer the queue. Okay. And then so just while q dot is empty, so while q is not empty, then we get length of the queue size, q dot size, and we traverse this for int I equals to 0, I less than I plus plus. And because we are going to put list inside a list, so first we need to have a list of integer of res equals to new array list is okay. ARRAY list. And for each level, we need a new list. So let's just list integer can spell the current level equals to a new array list. Okay, and now we first dequeue this, right? So a tree node equals to q dot pull, and then let us first add this into our current level. So cur dot add node dot ball, and then let's put all the child from left to right into the next level, right? So if node the left is not null, then q the offer node the left, and then the same thing if node the right is not null, typo, then q dot offer. So we put this into q, right child, RIGH, RIGHT, right? Right. Okay. So I think that's it. And then after the for loop, we put the current level into the rest, right? Rest dot add the cur level. And we return rest. Okay, let's try it. Typo. Is it a typo? Illegal star expression q. Why I always forgot to type new. Incompatible type. Res is a list of an integer. Okay. Q over Q. Where is it? Line 20. Oh my god. Q over root. Oh, by the way, can the root be null? The number of nodes could be 0, right? So, let me see. So in here, if root is null, then we just return res. Okay. And the values between, it doesn't do anything to our, okay. Okay, I think that's it. Shall I check this? Okay, so I don't think there is other edge cases, right? 0 to 2000, but it's hard for me to come up with a test. Something have 2000 node, and then we test the null, we test this. I think that's it. I think we should be able to submit it. I think. Okay. Let me try. Let's submit it. Okay, yeah, so today it is actually a typing speed contest. Like, because this is so basic that if you are doing LeetCode, you must already know what is BFS. So this is just a little bit modification of the BFS, right? Because you need to put every level as a list. And that's it. So that's the only difference. And time complexity is, of course, we are going to do each node once. So it's just the number of node. And the space complexity is the same as BFS, right? You have a queue, and then you have a tree. Oh, and then, yeah, space is at most n, right? So I think that's it. Yeah. So I think that's probably for today's daily question. So let's see the solution. How to traverse the tree? Yeah, this is just the basic idea of traversing the tree. If you're using recursion, then you are using DFS, right? I think. So the first approach of the official solution is recursion. So I guess they are doing BFS. No, DFS, right? So level order and helper. So your helper is, yeah. So you are just memorizing the current level and then insert that node into each level of the list in your result. So that's probably understandable, right? So yeah, your key is that you have to get the level first, and then you add this node to the level, and then you recursively call your child in the level plus one. So this is DFS, but I think for this question, it's better to do it with BFS, because I guess if you are in the interview and you do something recursion, then the follow-up question might be just, hey, if you can do it iteratively. Yeah, so, and the iteration solution is the basic BFS and that's what we are doing. So, and the time complexity is ON, the space is ON. Yeah. Okay, I guess that's a little bit too quick, which made me happy because, yeah, my goal is not to stream as long as possible. My goal is to stream as short as possible. So, yeah, and that's today's daily. Because it's too short, I'm going to try to do a new SQL question. So yeah, if you are interested in a SQL question, then yeah, just yeah, the SQL question will be followed. And then if you only interested in algorithm, then that's today's daily. Unless someday they are doing a okay, cool. Unless someday they are doing a SQL daily. Otherwise, yeah, we don't have a lot of SQL to do. So let's do the SQL.